Hey, so welcome back to my channel. Today I am here at Nails and Cocktails. Mackenzie's getting her feet done by the wonderful Adolfo. So I'm going to turn around and show you him. Oh, okay. You can say hi. Hi. Adolfo, he does great work along with the rest of the crew that's behind me. So we have been coming here since we got here. This is our first spot that we came to, and we love this place. The staff is wonderful. They do a great job. They're super friendly, and they help me work on my Spanish. So if you are coming to Mérida and looking for a nail spot, I highly recommend Nails and Cocktails. I did a video on this place a few months ago, so definitely check that place out. They are reasonable and way more affordable than the States. But I'm actually waiting on my cab, and I am going to run an errand while Mackenzie is getting her nails done and her feet done. All right, so my cab just showed up, and now I'm actually getting in it. Hola, buenas tardes. All right, so I made it to where I'm at, but it's kind of noisy right here. So I'm gonna try and go in. It's a crystal shop. Although I go to surgeries a lot, I'm looking for an actual piece of jewelry. And I saw this was a place that I could go to. So now I'm here and I'm going to try to look around and find what I'm looking for. Okay, so the reason why I chose this store because they had a lot of interesting pieces in here. Of course, the dinosaur, but they had just a lot more that I just wanted to look at and touch and maybe pick up some keepsakes or some gifts for my family. So now I'm here looking around. These things are just so incredible. Okay, so what I've been looking for are these like crystals in a form where I can wear them as a necklace or a pendant. And the other place I went to, they had some, but I really didn't like how they were put together as far as where I would wear the pendant around my neck. So when I saw this place online, I said I wanted to check it out, and I've been meaning to check it out for like a long time. So I'm glad I came today, but as soon as I came in, like everybody poured in. There was nobody in here when I walked in, and then everyone decided to walk in while I'm trying to shop. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got here. But this place is really cool. The people here are really nice. They have a lot of nice pieces. One of the guys does speak some English, so that was kind of helpful, but I'm gonna keep looking around. All this cool stuff.
It looks like something out of the aliens.
I have painted quartz,
Oh, that's really nice.
tiger eye. I have another presentations in white quartz, in amethyst. This is pink tourmaline.
Wow, you have a lot. Okay.
Yeah, you can look around if you want.
Okay, perfect. Yes, I asked the other guy, was that the only jewelry? He said yes, but I don't think he understood what I was asking. Maybe because when I say jewelry, maybe it's different. Like the meaning is different.
Yes, actually it is. Well, we have already necklaces. All of these are handmade. And upstairs we have strings with a lot of...
Oh, there's a whole upstairs too?
Yes, we have 2 floors here.
Oh wow,
We
okay.
have strings like with these kind of stones in different presentations and cuts.
Oh, and then you can build like a like make a necklace in a sense with
Exactly.
it. Oh,
And but
okay.
if you want something individually, you can choose here. And if not, most of these stones are in strings upstairs.
Okay, and then you also have the necklace.
Depends on the stone, yeah.
Okay.
These are some presentations I have.
Okay.
I have another ones here. I can give you some presentations too.
Oh, okay.
And in the middle, where you were looking before I arrived,
Mm-hmm.
there's a designer that is with us, and she's selling their own necklaces. And sorry for the mess.
Oh, wow, no, you guys are doing your thing. Wow.
Look, we have.
Oh, wow, that's
like
nice
this.
too.
This is white calcite, I think. I don't know if calcite is already a stone. My vocabulary in stones in English is a little bit rusty.
It's okay. It's similar in Spanish, just the endings are a little bit different. Okay.
Don't worry.
Oh, wow. You have a lot. It's a lot.
Yes.
It's very nice. Okay, I'm going to keep looking her. What was your name again?
Karla.
Karla. Nice to meet you, Karla. I'm Heather.
Nice to meet you, Heather.
Okay, I'm going to start looking at over here and then make my way around and find you.
If you need something, you can give a shot.
Okay.
And well, also we have these rolls.
Oh, wow.
What else? Well, we have roll quartz.
Wow, you have a lot.
Yeah.
A lot.
Here, all the jewelers lose their mind with all the things we have.
Wow. And it's so organized and color coded.
Yes. We have it by size, by form, and by colors.
It's very aesthetic,
Oh.
aesthetically pleasing.
We are glad to know that we made this 2 weeks ago. We were
2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
This was a mess. Well, actually, it's a mess yet, but it's better than before.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is my very favorite of phonics. It's really beautiful. So gives me a little of the phonics.
And what about these? I saw these downstairs right here.
That's Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. I
Yeah.
never. And what is the spiritual meaning or property
Okay.
for that one?
As said, the name is related with hard work. It's for energy, optimism,
Mm-hmm.
and it's related with the third chakra.
Mm-hmm.
And third chakra is where we have repressed a lot of our feelings.
Mm-hmm.
So it helps us to unleash them the best way we can do.
Oh, okay.
Emotional intelligence, I think it's
Mm-hmm.
okay. And well, this is a very beautiful stone. It comes from Africa.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It's my favorite of all of them. It's a jasper too, like this.
Okay. Vibration is
Stronger and stronger.
super loud. Yes. Wow, what a great experience I had here. I was not expecting this, and wow, it's raining right now. I'm waiting for my cab. It's supposed to be here in like a second, but I highly recommend. I know I recommend a lot of places to you guys, but I got a lot of nice stuff for under $100. Definitely, I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. But Karla, the lady that was walking me around, that's on this video, really did show me a lot. She educated me on a few things that I had no idea about, but I'm so excited I came today. I'm so excited I took time out to check out this place that I've been wanting to check out for some time now. If you're here in Mérida, definitely check out Quarzal Norte or Quarzal Norte. I will actually link it at the top. Oh my god, the rain is coming down even more now. So I will check you guys in the next video. I would definitely include the clip at some point in time so you can see what I got and how much I paid for everything. So I will see y'all later. Bye.